Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a Roblox account first and verify your email for account recovery and notifications. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your progress and purchases. Launch Roblox and search for Loomian Legacy using the in-game search bar to find the free experience. Join the game and complete the introductory tutorial to learn movement, menus, and basic combat. Open your inventory and buy Loomian storage upgrades with in-game currency to hold more creatures and items. Explore tall grass, caves, and water zones to trigger wild Loomian encounters for diverse species. Weaken a Loomian until it reaches 1/4 health to increase catching chances substantially. Apply a sleep or paralysis status effect to further boost capture odds and control the fight. Throw a Loomy ball when the target is weakened and status to attempt capture. Add caught Loomians to your party and level them through battles, food, and training sessions. Level your Loomians primarily through battles against trainers and wild creatures for reliable XP gains. Use XP items and food occasionally to speed progression when preparing for tougher opponents. Visit designated trading hubs or use the in-game trade master to trade Loomians with other players safely. Save your game frequently and back up account information because progress is valuable. Manage a balanced party of 6 Loomians and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.